Did you know there are foods that contain almost 0 calories? Imagine biting into a juicy watermelon or savoring the crunch of a fresh cucumber without worrying about your calorie intake. Stay tuned to learn more about these delicious 0-calorie foods. 0-calorie foods are more than just a myth. They hold a magical allure for those of us seeking nutrition without the baggage of extra calories. But what exactly are these 0-calorie wonders? In essence, they are foods that contain fewer calories than our bodies burn to digest them. Imagine eating a delicious apple that contains, say, 50 calories. Your body might burn 70 calories just digesting it. The result? A net calorie loss, making it a 0-calorie food. Now, why are they beneficial? Well, they let you snack without guilt, keeping hunger pangs at bay while you're watching your calorie intake. Plus, most of these foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, amplifying their nutritional value. So, ready to fill your plate with foods that fuel your body without tipping the scales? Now, let's dive into our list of 28 0-calorie foods. Fruits are a great source of vitamins and minerals, and some of them are incredibly low in calories. Let's dive into the first 7 items on our list, all of which are fruits that are not only delicious, but also carry almost 0 guilt. Starting off our list, we have watermelon. This juicy delight is a summer favorite that's not just refreshing, but also low in calories. 100 grams of watermelon, in fact, contains just 30 calories. Plus, it's packed with vitamins A and C, making it a healthy choice for a hot day. Next up, we have strawberries. These sweet, tangy fruits are a crowd pleaser, and for good reasons. 100 grams of strawberries contain only 32 calories. They are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your heart and reduce inflammation. Following strawberries, we have peaches. These fuzzy, juicy fruits are a treat to the taste buds and only contain 39 calories per 100 grams. They're also a great source of vitamin C and fiber, making them a smart choice for your next snack. On to the 4th fruit on our list, which is the humble apricot. This small orange fruit is not only tasty, but also contains a mere 48 calories per 100 grams. It's also packed with vitamin A, which is essential for good vision. The 5th fruit we're featuring is the versatile orange. Oranges are not just for juice, they're also great eaten on their own. 100 grams of orange contains just 43 calories and is loaded with vitamin C. Next, we have the tangy yet sweet grapefruit. 100 grams of this citrus fruit contains only 42 calories. Plus, it's known to help in weight loss and reducing insulin resistance. Lastly, we have the juicy and delicious cantaloupe. This orange-fleshed melon is not only refreshing, but also low in calories, with 100 grams containing just 34 calories. It's also a great source of vitamin A. So next time you crave something sweet, why not reach for one of these fruits? Vegetables are known for their low-calorie content, but some are even lower than you might think. Let's dive headfirst into the world of greens, beginning with cucumbers. These juicy, refreshing veggies are composed of about 95% water, which means they are incredibly hydrating and have an almost negligible calorie count. A whole cucumber contains just 15 calories. Yes, you heard that right, 15. Next up, we have the humble tomato. Tomatoes are often overlooked in low-calorie discussions, but let's give them their due credit. They're not only delicious, but they're also packed with vitamins A and C. A medium-sized tomato has only 22 calories. So whether you're popping cherry tomatoes as a snack or slicing them up for your salad, you're on the right track. Now, onto the green giant of the vegetable world, broccoli. Apart from being a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins C, K, and A, broccoli is also very low in calories. A cup of chopped broccoli has just 31 calories. Plus, its high fiber content will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next, let's talk about spinach. This leafy green is not only Popeye's favorite, but also a low-calorie superstar. A cup of raw spinach has only 7 calories, yet it's rich in iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. Then there's kale, another leafy green that's earned its superfood status. A cup of raw kale has only 33 calories, but is brimming with vitamins A, C, and K. Moving on, let's not forget zucchini. This versatile vegetable has a high water content and is a great source of vitamin C. A medium-sized zucchini has only 33 calories. Finally, we have bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are a feast for the eyes and the palate. A medium bell pepper has just 24 calories, but it's packed with vitamins A and C. These veggies can be a great addition to your meals, providing flavor without the extra calories. Protein is essential for our bodies, and there are low-calorie sources available. Now, let's dive into a sea of protein powerhouses that are also kind to your calorie count. First up, we have the lean, mean protein machine, chicken breast. This versatile ingredient is a staple in many diets, and for a good reason. It's packed with protein and incredibly low in calories. Whether it's grilled, baked, or stir-fried, chicken breast is a delicious way to meet your protein needs without adding too many calories. Next on our list is turkey. This isn't just for Thanksgiving, folks. Turkey is another lean meat that's high in protein and surprisingly low in calories. It's a fantastic alternative to heavier meats and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to sandwiches and everything in between. Then we have eggs, a breakfast favorite for many. But did you know that eggs are also a great source of protein? Plus, they're low in calories, making them an excellent choice for any meal of the day. Boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs are a versatile addition to your low-calorie, high-protein menu. Our next protein-packed food is cottage cheese. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. This dairy delight is high in protein and low in calories. It's perfect as a snack on its own or as a creamy addition to salads and other dishes. And then there's Greek yogurt. It's thick, creamy, and brimming with protein. Greek yogurt also has fewer calories than regular yogurt, so it's a great choice for those watching their calorie intake. Next up is tofu. This plant-based protein source is a favorite among vegetarians and vegans. But even if you're a meat eater, tofu is a fantastic low-calorie option to mix things up. Last but certainly not least, we have fish. Many types of fish, like tuna and salmon, are high in protein and low in calories. Plus, they're rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Including these protein-packed foods in your diet can help you feel full and satisfied. So, whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply eat healthier, these foods are a fantastic way to get the protein you need without packing on the calories. Believe it or not, there are even beverages and seasonings that have almost 0 calories. Let's dive into the world of thirst quenchers and flavor enhancers that won't tip the scale. First off, black coffee. Yes, you heard that right. The morning pick-me-up that many of us can't live without, when consumed without sugar or cream, contains almost no calories. So feel free to indulge in your morning ritual. Just remember to hold the sweet stuff. Next up, we have green tea, a staple in many cultures for its health benefits and refreshing taste. Green tea is virtually calorie-free and packed with antioxidants. Whether you enjoy it hot or cold, it's a guilt-free beverage you can sip on throughout the day. Now let's move on to the fizzy stuff. Diet sodas may have a bad rap, but if you're craving a carbonated drink, they can be a 0-calorie alternative. Just remember that moderation is key with these, as they contain artificial sweeteners. Water, of course, is the ultimate 0-calorie beverage. And to make it a bit more exciting, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Plus, it's a great way to stay hydrated. Switching gears to seasonings, let's talk about our first contender, cinnamon. This aromatic spice doesn't just add a sweet and warm flavor to your dishes, but it also has almost 0 calories. It's a fantastic addition to your morning oatmeal or a cup of hot apple cider. Next in line is hot sauce. If you like a kick in your food, hot sauce is your friend. It's low in calories and can significantly elevate the taste of your food. Last, but not the least, is vinegar. Whether it's apple cider vinegar or balsamic, a little drizzle can add a tangy bite to your salads and other dishes, all while keeping the calorie count low. So consider these options when you want to hydrate or add flavor to your meals without adding calories. So there you have it, 28 foods that contain almost 0 calories. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane. We kicked things off with the magic of 0-calorie foods, exploring the concept and shedding light on how these foods can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. We underscored the importance of incorporating these foods into your diet, not only for weight management, but also for their nutritional benefits. Next, we dived into the world of fruits, highlighting their low-caloric nature. We talked about the likes of watermelon and grapefruit, fruits that are not only scrumptious, but also great for your health. Then we ventured into the realm of vegetables, where we discovered a multitude of greens that are virtually calorie-free. From cucumbers to bell peppers, these veggies offer a combination of taste and nutrition that's hard to beat. We didn't stop there. we moved on to protein-packed foods, introducing you to tofus and white fish. These foods are your go-to if you're looking to build muscles or if you're simply interested in a protein-rich diet. And lastly, we quenched our thirst with beverages and more. We introduced you to teas and broths, drinks that not only hydrate but also provide essential nutrients. By incorporating these foods into your meals, you're not just cutting down on your calorie intake. You're also enriching your diet with nutrients. Remember that these zero-calorie foods are not just about weight loss, they're about promoting overall health. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. With these zero-calorie foods, you can enjoy delicious meals while also maintaining your calorie intake. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons and also click on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop a new video. If you find value in my videos, you can show your support through PayPal or Cash App. The link are in the descriptions. See you next time.